Welcome to Bada's Mine.
Another one of those
Today we're in Albuquerque, New Mexico.
Kind of has a,
We are at the balloon
it at least
fiesta,
has kind of a
as you
patchy
can see.
red, white, blue pattern to it.
Yeah, okay.
That,
I see one of the zebra balloons, or the zebra balloon.
And I'll be posting more videos today.
Now here on our
Hope you enjoy the videos.
They want y'all to step back now.
Say cheese.
Pizza.
Y'all be on the Bada's Mine. I gotta get one of these for Bada's Mine. I'm gonna check into it. As you can see, they're throwing a little bit of fire in that balloon. Here we go, people. The Adams balloon is about to ascend. Here we go. Let them go, let them go.